Big mind, big dreams, but handle with care. What happened when Sun, Mercury, Venus, and Rahu sits in Aquarius? What all positive you can expect during this time? What all negative may happen with you, along with the remedies that you should do to overcome the challenges? If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So when four planet or more than four planets sits in any zodiac sign, that indicates that there are some karmic blockages there. If you are going to channelize the energy of these four planet in the right direction, then during this phase you can get huge success in life. But on the other hand, if you are not going to channelize the energy of these four planets in the right direction, then they can give you the restlessness, emotional disturbance, and the problem in your relationship as well as in your career. So now let's understand about these four planets when they sit in Aquarius, then how they act. So sun, which is a planet of the vitality, which is a planet of the energy, which is a natural atmakarak too. So sun is a fiery element sitting with the Venus, which is a planet of the luxury, love, pleasure, romance. Mercury, which is connected to the communication, speech, and your logical mind. Rahu, which is a illusion, which is a planet of the illusion, which gives you the illusion and sudden events happening in the life. So now these four planets are going to sit together. Sun, which is a fiery element, sun is going to burn the energy of these three planets. So this particular conjunction of these four planets in Aquarius can give you huge name, fame, success, popularity if you are going to channelize the energies in the right direction. This combination indicates sharp brain, strong charm, and thinking out of the box. This particular combination is very good to get the positive results in life. If you're channelizing this energies in the right direction, working anything connected to the digital world, you have an online business, you are into import and export, you are earning away from your birthplace, or you are into IT, engineering, astrology, you can become a good healer as well as you can become a good counselor, as well as you can do something big in occult science, astrology too. So this particular combination will be good for the people who are into artistic or doing something online. So during, if you have such combination in your birth chart, then you can get huge success in the digital world, in the digital business. On the other side, if you are not channelizing the energy of this particular combination in your birth chart, then that can give you emotional disturbance. It can give you mental related problem like depression, anxiety, overthinking, and the problem in your relationship too. If you're not channelizing the energies into the right direction, then there is a possibility of the third party involvement in your relationship, problem in your relationship. Maybe you started manipulating your partner, you are not channelizing the energies in the right direction. Because of the manipulation and the hiding tendency, you may face problem in your relationship too. Too much screen time, fear of public judgment, being in illusion, spending a lot, it can be an emotional spending or showing to others, comparing your life to others and feeling anxiety and depressed while comparing your life to others, speaking without thinking, over promising to people, or taking impulsive decision in your relationship, falling in love with someone and which is actually not a love, which may be the lust too. Involvement of the third party in your relationship, because you will be going to take some impulsive decision in your relationship, and you are not able to channelize your energies in the right direction. You may spend or waste more time in the digital world, scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on the YouTube, or you are not able to focus on your work or channelize your energies in the right direction. Life rules to follow if you have such combinations. So make sure that you are channelizing your energies in the right direction. Avoid taking any impulsive decision related to your love relationship. Gradually and slowly, first try to understand your partner. Have a honest communication with your partner, because communication will matter a lot when such type of placement are there in the birth chart. Then these people sometimes manipulate or cheat their partner or start saying lie, and they get trapped into the same thing. So make sure that you have a honest communication with your partner and don't jump into the relationship without thinking or taking the impulsive decision. Need to be very much conscious while spending online. Someone may cheat on you, or you may take any impulsive decision related to the money matters. So before investing somewhere, don't invest blindly there. You need to be conscious. Be conscious of your public image. Don't do anything, any activity on social media that can give you the defame. And you have to make sure that you, before you speak to someone, before you are promising to someone, so you have to think, because there is a very high possibility you may over promise during this time, and afterward which you may regret, due to which you may get the defame also in the society. So if you want that best results during this time, because if you are going to channelize this energy of four planets in the right direction, then you will be able to fulfill your wishes also during this time. You can get huge name, fame, success. Only you need to channelize these four energies in the right direction. Don't use this four energies in a bad way or negative way, because this particular combination of four planets can start giving you negative results as well. So if you want this particular four combination transit can give you the positive result, so you have to follow all the tips that I have shown here. As well as what you need to do is to overcome the challenges, that try to pray to goddess Lakshmi. As much as you pray to goddess Lakshmi during this time, this will help you out to overcome the challenges. One remedy that will work so well for this particular combination, if there is in your birth chart, then you have to make sure that you are walking barefoot on the grass daily and keep on chanting Namah Shivaya. So during the daytime, if 12 minutes you are chanting, meditating on Namah Shivaya, and on the regular basis you are offering water to Lord Shiva, then this particular combination can give you the huge career success, huge things in your life. But make sure when you have such a combination in your birth chart, then you have to follow the honesty. You avoid being manipulative, avoid saying lie, because one day you will be trapped in your own lies, you will be trapped in your own manipulation. So make sure that whatever you are speaking to someone, have honest communication, bring balance in your life. When you walk barefoot on the grass, this will help you out to bring more balance in your life, and start wearing more white color clothes to get the maximum benefit of this particular transit and the combination. Share this video with your loved ones. Still you have any question, you can ask me on the comment.